Yes, hello students. Today we are starting chapter number 1, real number. Come on question number 1. Find a rational number between under root 2 and under root 3. Okay, what is the value of under root 2 that we know? 1.414 and so on. And what is value of under root 3 that we also know, that is 1.732. Okay, in between you have to take one rational number, so you can take 1.5 or 1.6 or 1.7, any rational number you can take. Okay, it will be infinite rational numbers are there, you can take any number. This is your answer. Come on question number 2. See, a is given to you x power 4, y power 3. B is given to you x, y power 4. You have to find LCM. LCM means you have to take its greatest power of each and every variable. Okay, then what will be the LCM? Variable x, you take it. See, what is the greatest power? Here is 4 and here is 1. So you have to take x power 4. And here y is 3 and y is 4, then what will come? Y power 4. This is your answer. Okay. Yes, question number 3. Again you have given A p cube y4 r5, B p square q5, and C p4 q square r3. You have to find HCF. HCF means what? HCF means you have to take common and smallest one. See the common in all these three, P, Q, R. Here is only P, Q. It means in HCF you will get answer in terms of P and Q only. Now see what is common in all three. It means what is the smallest power of P. It is here P3, here is P2, here is P power 4. It means P square will come. Then here is q power 4, here is q power 5, here is q power 2. Then q square will come. Then answer number 3 is HCF is p square and q square. Yes, question number 4 is 2 root 45 plus 3 root 20 upon 2 root 5. Okay, it is in a 2018 compartment. It is very important one. See here, nice question it is. Now 2 root 45. Root 45 can I write 9 5s are 45? Okay. Then 3 root 20. 3 root 20. Root 20 I can write 5 4s are 20 upon 2 root 5. Then how I am solving? See here. Root 9 is 3, no? And outside is 2. 3 2s are 6. Root 5 is root 5. This is root 4 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Root 5 is root 5 upon 2 root 5. Okay. Now what to do? What to do? Just you see, they take out common. 6 plus 6 root 5, this is your 12 root 5. 6 root 5 plus 6 root 5, this is 12 root 5 upon 2 root 5. Root 5 to root 5 cancel. What will come? 6. This is your answer. Yes. Next question is 3 into 5 into 13 into 46 plus 23 is a prime number or a composite number. This you have to find out. Okay. So what I am going to do, see here. Here 3 into 5 into 13, 46, 2 into 23. Plus 23. Now I am taking out 23 common. What will come? See here. 3 into 5 into 13 into 2. Now this is common, taking this is outside now, and this is also outside. 2 into 1 plus 1. Okay, whatsoever number is there, whatsoever this number is there, it is multiple of 23. Definitely it is multiple of 23. It means one more prime factor other than 1. Getting? Then it means we can say this is your composite number. Okay, if you want to solve some more thing, one more step, then you can write 23. 5 3 is 15, 15 to the 30. 30 into 13 is 390 plus 1. So 23 into 391. So it has more than 2 factors, no? 1 is already the factor, more than 2 factor. That is why this is your yes. Question number 6. 3 bells toll at intervals of 12 minutes, 15 minutes and 18 minutes respectively. If they start tolling together, after what time they next toll together? It means we have to find out least number of time. Least number of time means we have to find the LCM of 12, 15 and 18. You can get directly also by this method. If they are asking by prime factorization, you can do it. Otherwise, you can do directly also. 2 6 are 12. This is 15. 2 9s are 18. Again by 2. 2 3s are 6. 15 and 9. Then by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. Then by 3 1 5 1. Then by 5. Okay, 1 1 1. Then what will be? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 and 36 5s are. What is 6? 36 5s are 6 5s are 33. 5 3 are 15 and 3 18. 180. 180 minutes. This is your answer. Yes, question number 7. If HCF of 144 and 180 is expressed in the form of this, find the value of M. It is very clear, you have to find HCF of 144 and 180. So we have one method, that is prime factorization method. So you can do like this also. 144 is this. See here, 144, 2 7 are 14, 72. 2 is 36, no? Then 2 18 will come, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 1. And what about 180? Let me see. 182. This will become 90, 2 9s are, then 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Then by 3 you can take, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, again by 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1. Okay, then 144, what you can write? 1 2 3 4, 2 power 4 into 3 power 2. Okay, what about 180? 2 power 2, 3 power 2 and 5. What will be HCF? Is 2 power 2 will come, smallest power common. Here 3 power 2 is 2 will come. So 2 power 2 is what? 4. 3 power 3. 3 power 2 is what? 9. It is 36. But not this is the answer. What is the question? Its HCF is 13m minus 3. So 36 is equal to 13m minus 3. When you send 13 there, then 36 plus 3 will become 39 is equal to 13m. Then what will be m? That is 39 upon 13. Then 3 will be your answer. Yes. Question number 8. Determine the values of P and Q so that the prime factorization of 2520 is expressible in these terms. So 2 power 3 into 3 power p into q into 7, in this form we want. Okay, we want to find out the p and q. Okay, so what is given here? 2520, it is here. So what to do? Take 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 1 is here, 2 6 are, and then 0. Okay, again by 2, again by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 0. Again by 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. Now see, not by 2, check it by 3 or not. 5 1 6, 6 and 3 9, yes, by 3. 3 1s are 3, then here is 1 only, then 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 50. This is very important step. Okay, then again by 3, because 5 plus 1 is 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are, okay, then 5 and then 7. This is 7. Okay, let me see. 2 times 3, 3, 2 times 2 is coming 3 times, 2 is coming 3 times, 3 is coming 2 times, 3 is coming 2 times, then 5 1 time and 7 1 time. Let us compare. What will be p? P will become 2. What is q then? Q is 5. This is your answer. Yes, question number 9 is, you have to convert in decimal form. See what is given: 27 upon 2 power 2 and 5 power 3. It is very important. See, this is the latest question. It is comes in your 2020 compartment exam. Okay, exam was 2 days before only. Okay, to 27 upon 2 power 2, 2 power and 5 power 3. See, highest power of denominator 5 is what? 3, and here is power 2. So we have to make it power same. So what to do? I have to multiply. See, 2 power 2 and 5 power 3 as it is. I want to make here 3 powers, so I have to multiply and divide by 2 only. I can say 2 power 1, then only it will become 2 power 3, and 27 is already here. So 27 2s are 54, it is okay here. Here 2 power 3 and 2 power 3 is no 2 power 1, 2 power 2 into 2 power 1, 2 power 3 into 5 power 3. So I can write here 10 power 3. Okay, so 10 power 3, what is the meaning? 1000. Okay, then 54 upon 1000 is what? 0.054. This is your answer. Yes, last question. This is also compartment question 2020. It is given that HCF of these two numbers is equal to 8. Numbers are 504 and 2200. What you have to find? Then find LCM of this number. Okay, what we know, LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. What is LCM? You have to find out. LCM is given to you 8. What are the two numbers? 504 and 2200. So what is LCM? 504 2200 upon 8. Can cut by 8. 8 1 are 8. 8 6 are 48. 48, then 2 is here, no? 8 3 are 24. When you multiply it, just you see 2 zeros will come. 63 2s are 126. 6, 12 is carry. 63 2s are 126 and 12. This is 138. This is your answer.